Peace be with you, my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our next topic, step number 6, that we are going to do today. All of you, please take out your notebooks and books. Hope you all are ready. My dear students, if you will face any problem meanwhile the lecture, you must jot down the questions on the notebook or in the chat box so we can discuss it later on. Step number 6, the title is linear equation in one variable. I guess the concept of variable is very much clear to you. The topics that we are going to touch today are equation, linear equation, equation in one variable, and inequality. And inequality. If you remember, we have done the same things in our spot test class. Okay, very beautiful things that I saw, so I would like to share that with you. There are different stages of learning and the attitude. Like the first step is I won't do it, then I can't do it. I want to do it. How do I did it? I'll try to do it. I can do it, and I will do it. Yes, I did it. You know, I did it is also the title of your book. So it's you who have to decide that on which level of learning you are standing on. So before starting this lecture, we all must tell our minds that yes, we can do it and I will do it. So let's move on towards the next slide. Equation. First of all, let's we all discuss the concept of equation. Now, equation, a math sentence that has an equal sign. An equation says that two things are equal. Like 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. This is an equation as well. Okay, can you please give me some examples of algebraic equation? That was also a part of 5. Hello, can you hear me now? Will you please give me some example of equation? Algebraic equation now. Thank you so much. Equation must come with the sign of equality, my dear. Equation must have a sign of equality. Okay, I will do an example for you. Five x square plus 7 is equals to 9y. This is also said to be an equation. On this basis, please in my chat box, write me some example of equations. Fizzer is right, 3a plus 3a is equals to 5a. Okay. Please give me some example of algebraic equation. Hasnan Z 15 plus 2 is equals to 10. Okay. Thank you so much, class. Let's move towards my next topic. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. And checking your responses to this. That is fine. Okay, let's move towards our next slide. You can see this is also an equation 2x minus 3 to raised power 2 is equals to 10x. This thing also set to an equation because there lies a sign of equality in that. यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है? Sign of equality. Any statement that occupies the sign of equality, it is said to be an equation. Linear equation is our next topic. Any equation having the maximum power 1. Maximum power जिसकी क्या हो? 1 हो. वो आपके पास क्या होती है? That is said to be an equation. Where there is written nothing, it means that the power of that variable is 1. Here x to raise power 1, x to raise power 1, x to raise power 1 and n to raise power 1. So the maximum power is 1. So these equations are said to be linear equations. Let's suppose that यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. But in fact, here lies x to raise power 0 with every constant. As we all know that x to raise power 0 is equals to 1 according to the law of exponent. That's why in our equations we don't write x to raise power 0. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to my next slide. I'm repeating it again. Linear equation means that if in an equation the maximum power of the variable is 1, then it is said to be a linear equation. Now, what is a linear equation? A linear equation in one variable, that is the third topic, is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus b is equals to 0. My dear students, my eyes are fixed on my chat box. Will you please tell me how many variables are here and how many constants are here in this one? Particular example is ax plus b is equals to 0. The variable is x, b is a constant and 0 is a constant and a is the little maybe over here. Thank you. Now in the example that is given over here, 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. अब आप मुझे बताएं what is the variable in that? 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. What is the variable in that? X is the variable. Thank you so much. And what is the constant in that? Constant. What is constant in this equation? No. Plus is a sign. 6 is the constant only. 6 is the constant only. And what is the coefficient of x in it? What is the coefficient of x in it? That is 2. Achha, how many number of variables are here? Can you please tell me? How many number of variables are here? Number of variables. X. Only x. Now I am going to write an example in front of you. You have to judge, my dear students, how many number of variables are involved in this one. Kindly follow me. We have 4xy plus 9z is equals to 0. इसमें number of variables कितने हैं? How many number of variables are present in this? 4xy plus 9z is equals to 0. Yes, 3 variables. So we cannot say that this one is a linear equation with one variable. This is a linear equation with how many variables? 3 variables. Linear equation with how many variables? 3 variables. Is this clear or any queries? You can write me in the chat box, students. Let's move towards our next slide. This is your book page number. So please all of you take out your books. Please all of all of you please take out your books. J, we are page number 89. Please, if you are ready, just let me know. Are you ready, my class? Are you ready, my class? Okay. Linear equation in with one variable is our topic. Now, the definition of Okay, equation. The statement of equality containing a variable is called an equation. And after this one, you are going to make a heading of example, and with your own choice, you can do and write on your own already examples. Now, point to remember, it is not necessary to have only one variable in equation. There, we can have multiple variables in one equation. Second point, in an equation, the variable can be both side of equality. वेरिएबल जो आपके पास है वो इक्वलिटी के both side भी हो सकता है. Linear equation now. A linear equation is an equation with the maximum power of variable 1. ये मैंने आपको already भी आपको explain किया था, and after that again you are going to give some examples of it. Equation with one variable. An equation that involves only one variable is called an equation in one variable, and after that you have to give the example. Is this clear? We can write example on our own as well. Better to write using your mind on your own. Now, will all of you please come on book page number 92. Can you please come on book page number 92? The homework is this, that you have to do question number 1 and 2, exercise 6.1. That is all for today. I'm going to discuss your homework with you. Thank you so much, my dear students. I'm going to discuss your homework with you. May God bless us all and the whole universe. Thank you so much.